No, do not do that. As satisfying as videos are of peeling prosthetics and bald caps off, it is the wrong way for removal. FX adhesives are strong and they can damage your skin. You're gonna want some tools. My brushes, cheap, flat, synthetic in multiple sizes. Using Super Solid Plus from PPI Premiere Products. Dish or bowl. Have a large powder puff for later. Some tissues and baby wipes are also good to have on hand. Let's start with the prepping. I like to go over all the edges with the remover. This way it will give it time to break down the glue while I work. There is a saying to keep in mind. It should take as long to remove it as it took to apply it. This is not a fast process if done right. You want to minimize the aggravation to the skin. For reference, this video is only a few minutes long, but the actual removal and cleanup for this makeup took about 45 minutes. Now let's find a spot to start. You can see how the remover just popped up the edge. Grabbing a wider brush and gradually working my way down under the prosthetic. Gonna release the bald cap too. Here's the actual speed of how this is all being done. And you do not want to be pulling too much on the piece. You only want to hold it taut and let the remover release the prosthetic from the skin. This should be 100% pain-free. If there's any discomfort, you are going too fast. Working around the mouth and eyes, have those tissues handy so you can wipe the areas clean. You can let gravity help you with the removal. I make sure to always be holding the piece so it's not just resting on your poor model's face. When working above the eyes, it's good to tell your model to keep their eyes closed for this portion. Be mindful of how much product you are working with around the eyes. Foam latex does tend to absorb the remover, but if you're working with latex or silicone, there's a chance that if you're using too much, it might end up in your model's eyes. When working in the eye areas, it's a good time to switch to a smaller brush for better control. Really want to stress the fact that the remover should be doing all of the work. See how it just releases off the skin? Sweet freedom! But your work is not done. With the powder puff, apply more of the remover all over the face and continue to break down the glue. For the eyes, use either a clean baby wipe or a makeup wipe. Baby wipes or a warm towel are great to help get the rest of the glue off the skin. Now the towel part is not required, but your model might appreciate you for it. Now we look cleaned up, but not so fast. As you can see, the skin is still tacky in places. Some more Super Solid Plus, now again with a new clean wipe, and go over the skin. Then double check for sticky areas. For people hoping to reuse the prosthetics, you may have noticed that it got a little swollen and misshapen in the process. That's gonna happen. You're just gonna wanna put it in a safe place to dry for a couple days, then it should be looking a lot better. Now, if you're wondering why I use Super Solid Plus instead of Mirror State or any other FX removers, you're gonna wanna check out this video where I talk about the different FX removers.